FreshandFit Money Clips. Get ready for a wealth of knowledge on this Money Monday with Myron, Fresh, and special guests. Join the FreshandFit podcast as they dive deep into the world of real estate and more. Don't miss out. Hit the like button and subscribe for the latest insight. Brought to you by Moneyclips. Catch the YouTube short pod for quick wisdom and the full-length podcast on Rumble and YouTube. Elevate your financial game with Myron and Fresh on the FreshandFit podcast, where real estate meets reality.
But yeah, I mean, people have been asking us like, yo, drop a YouTube course, drop a real estate course, whatever. And it's just that I just don't want to be too salesy, you know what I mean? But I could see why, obviously, you are able to help quite a bit of people when you do that, especially if your product is good.
Well, you know, like, trust me, I was the same way. So by nature, I'm introverted, right? Like when I was playing baseball, dude, I would just sit in my like little clubhouse stall and like just chill. Like I wasn't the center of attention or any of this stuff. And I was that way in real estate too. Like I was like, dude, you know, I'm doing well. I don't want to brag and like tell people what I'm doing. But one of my mentors was like, hey, you know, if you want to get more deals and help more people, you got to tell people what you're doing, right? And I was like, all right. So I start telling people, and then I get more investors. I'm able to flip more houses and get more deals. And like I'm like, okay, this is good for my business, for my investor. Like this is good. And then, you know, I go into 2020, and before 2020, I was like, dude, I do not want to be a guru. I do not want to be like a sales guy. Yeah. You know, people,
that's how we,
Yeah. And I'm like, people will buy my stuff if they really like it. Right. And people will. Right. But, you know, I became pretty close with Cardone, and he said something to me that really stuck out. And and him and Russell Brunson, if you guys know who he is, they both kind of said the same thing. And they were like, look, if you have knowledge that people want, and you're an expert in this, and it can change lives and everything else, right? It's not really fair to them if you're not doing everything possible to help them get it, right? Like, because if I believe my coaching program can drastically change your life.
I was like, we got that's what I do every time I see new Gorilla Mind.
And guys, we are affiliates with Gorilla Mind, so go check them out.
Actually, when I saw the Gorilla Mind in the fridge, I said, oh!
Yeah, we got a whole new shipment.
I see the sun with it on my soul, bro. Yo, Derek Moore plays with it. Yo, I want to shake his hand when I see him. I want to shake him.
Nah, he went crazy with the Gorilla Mind.
Crazy, bro.
And get the stuff. It's great quality stuff, man. Have you guys seen me posted on my Instagram before with the pre-workout especially?
This is what happens when he drinks like 3 Gorilla Minds.
Because that grape fire though, ain't it? Bro, when you
good stuff.
Get a fresh discount to stay fresh in the gym.
W Gorilla Mind. W Derek More Plates, more dates. I mean, no. More plates, more dates. Did I say that right?
More plates, more dates.
More plates, more dates. Yeah. W Derek More Plates, more dates. W Gorilla Mind. Grape and orange are my favorite ones.
So go check them out. I got the link below if you guys want to go ahead and get a discount. I think it's the code is fresh if I'm not mistaken. But go check it out, man. Get this.